Hey guys, I'm thge. In this video I have an unboxing and hands-on look of new headsets that were sent to me so I can try it out and make a video for you guys. So that's what I'm doing. Now these headsets, I actually agreed to make a video for these headsets because when I heard about it, I was like, what? A headphone that turns into speakers? So I had to try it out because I never seen these before, and then I went on Amazon and I confirmed that they're not the only company that do this. So this right now is Veenax, and the model is HS1. Like you see it here in the box, it says speaker and headphones 2-in-1, two-way sounds, headphones and speaker mode. It is compatible, or it also has the ability to have micro SD, wireless mode, NFC, answering calls, speaker mode, and aux mode. There you have it. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Keep in mind, I already been trying these for like 2 weeks already. But now I put everything in the box just like I always like to do, and so you guys can see what to expect when you get it in from the mail. So here is some of the specs, which is right there. The speakers, each one is 3 watts. 3 watts, 40 millimeters. Battery capacity is 400 milliamp hour battery. Wireless is 4.2 Bluetooth. Charging time around 2 hours, and battery life between 3 to 7 hours, depending how you are actually using this. You also get this Veenax pouch, which you can put your headphones in it. That way they don't mess up when you're putting them in the bag. And here are your headphones. Let's put this out. There you go. And you go. So like you see there, these are Veenax, and it has the brand right there. Like you see, it is made out of plastic. Yes, this is made out of plastic. These are silver and white, but I believe available in black as well. I haven't seen the black one, so if I see the image of the black one, I'll just put it on the video. And of course here you got L for left, over here you got R for right. Easy to see. So here are the buttons that you're gonna interact with. So over here you got mode, over here you got play, pause, and on and off button over here. This is forward and up, volume up. This is backwards and volume down. So here in the bottom you got aux, so that way if you don't want to use them wirelessly, you can use them using the 3.5 millimeter cable, which I'm surprised they did not come with that out of the box. Here you got the charging port right there, and over here you have nothing. It says NFC right there because these are actually compatible with NFC, and that's it. You know, construction wise, they do feel like plastic, not really solid. They do fold, you know, making it easier to carry around when you're keeping them in your bag. But of course the main reason why I'm making this video is because of the mode that it has. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, but so you guys can have an idea how it sounds when you turn it on, I'm gonna flip this because that's how they actually activate to speakers. And this is the one that you actually flip to convert to speaker. If you flip this one only, it will not turn into speakers, but if you flip just this one, it will actually turn into speakers. So right now I'm gonna press and hold the button, that way we can hear what it says when it turns on. Bluetooth. Now it's gonna say connected. There you go, Bluetooth connected. So that's how it sounds when you turn them on. So let me go ahead and put some music here so you guys can have an idea how it works. Okay, whoops. When you press and hold, it's supposed to up the volume. Right now they're completely up, and I don't know if you can pick it up on the mic, but they do sound kind of loud, and they're not in speaker mode. So you gotta be careful with these headphones when you put them on, because you can blow up your, I don't know, because for me it sounds really damn loud, and we're not listening them in speaker mode. So to turn them in speaker mode, you could flip this one and it will not do anything. I see there, it'll just stay in speaker mode or in headphone mode. But when you flip on this one, It really sounds loud for headphones that turn into speakers. It really sounds loud. Of course, like I said before, each speaker or headphone is 3 watts when you turn them into speaker mode. Of course, I can pause the music right there, and if I want to skip, I just double tap, right? Like it, double tap, and it skips to the next song right there. If you want to lower down the volume, you just tap and hold, and it lowers down the volume. If you tap right there, let me go ahead. There you go. So right now it's on FM. Bluetooth.
FM mode. Bluetooth.
That's awesome. So like you see there, you tap on that button right there, which is the M, and it turns into radio. Or if you have a micro SD card, believe it or not, you can actually put a micro SD card there with music. If you put that in, it will actually turn from music, from Bluetooth to SD card to FM, so on, so on, so on. So basically, that's how this actually sounds. Now, keep in mind, I actually played a little bit of video games. And, you know, the cool thing about these speakers, which for me, it makes sense, you know, because if you only have money to buy one device and you actually like music and you like listening to video games and all, or movies, and sometimes you just don't want to wear them over your ears. So you just put them, you know, you just flip them out like that and listen to it very loud, which for me, you know, in reality, it makes sense. I think it is actually a cool feature. Do they sound amazing? No, they don't sound amazing. They don't sound amazing. It just sounds loud. Now, keep in mind, this is NFC, right? So if I put it right here, there you go. Look at that. It actually recognizes the NFC right there. There you go. Connecting via NFC. So like you see there, it's also compatible with NFC, and it does work. Here I'm going to show you guys me playing a video game, which was Legends.
Let's rock.
So that right there was the sound coming from these headphones while playing video games. Like sir heard there, they do sound really damn loud. I think honestly, look at that. That's amazing. You know, it's insane how loud they actually sound. Like I said, this is made out of plastic. You can fold them. It has a very nice cushion right here, which is white. I really don't like when they make white cushions because they can get dirty easily. But yeah, you have white cushion right there. But like I said, they also come in black as well. And of course, like I said, if you flip these around, nothing's gonna actually happen. You see there, nothing's actually gonna happen. But these are the ones. Well guys, and that's it for this video. I just want to share with you guys my hands-on look on these Veenax headphones that turn into speakers. The reason, like I said, I did accept to do the video is because I found it weird that you can actually turn headphones into speakers, and when I go on Amazon and check out, it was actually a trend. There's actually other companies trying to do the same thing. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think about these headphones. Would you buy headphones that turn into speakers? Let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye bye.